The reason why you never look at your problems. The reason why you never look at your problems is because Matthew is saying to you today, blessings is not what you have. Blessings is who you are. But that is the perspective of Matthew. When Mark writes his book, Mark has about 16 chapters in his book. Scholars would agree with me that the book of Mark uses the Greek word euthanos. And euthanos means immediately. So the book of Mark stresses more on the actions of God, but on the immediate actions of God. So we worship a God who never takes time to arrive to our problems, but time becomes confused on how Jesus arrives to our problems. That is the optic of the perspective of Mark.